All right, guys, welcome to Crazy Crackers Adventures. All right, so we're doing a little John boat restoration. We're gonna make a, we're gonna start out here. We've already welded together a casting deck for it. We're gonna sheet it out and then put EVA foam on it, just like everybody does. You're gonna find the hardest part about prepping your boat for any repaint. You're gonna be getting all the stickers, your factory boat labels. I tried a heat gun. I had an air grinder. I went down to 80 grit sandpaper and then had to buzz it back. And then give everything a good scuff from head to toe with a good 100 grit. And then I hit it with a Scotch-Brite. And we wiped it down with some mineral spirits. Actually just paint thinner because I'm trying something new. And they have this product. Nobody's sponsoring me, just so y'all are aware. Something new. As you can see, it's pretty bright green. My buddy Camo King, he doesn't really approve because he thinks we should have camo on everything and hide from everything and sneak up on everything. So I thought I'd shoot a video and see how this turns out. See what we got coming out here. May have to turn the air up on my compressor. I shot some orange of this same, and I shot it at about 50 psi. So I'm gonna go turn the compressor up a little bit, give it just a little more air. See how that works out. So, I would play you guys some music while I do this, but I don't know YouTube rules yet. Soon I will know that. Alright, I can already tell it's far more metallic green than what even Krylon has told me. So, we'll see. You cannot swing this like automotive paint. You will never get a coverage. You have to come at it slow and easy. One steady flow in. Now, this is just the base color for the boat. I will be coming back and putting a orange graphic down here. Kind of an old mini truck look, you know. Depending on how old you are, you'll know what that means. If you were going to paint anything other than a boat, then you are going to put in the water and be up, because our boat We didn't get the owner's manual, so they go pretty much wherever we want to go. We don't saltwater, freshwater. We don't depict. We don't discriminate. We're out there to catch all the fish. How much of this you guys believe or pick up, I don't know. I've never shot a video purposely for this, so we will see in the end how this turns out. Everything I do is what a lot of you professionals out there, which is called backyard. Me and my buddy the Camo King, we have no schooling on this stuff. We haven't been to a fancy class. I've painted a few cars in my lifetime. I do not own a paint shop. I don't own a bait shop. I don't own a boat shop. But we know enough about all the above to get in trouble. And I am getting a lot of coverage out of this. I know you guys were probably like, man, that is a small gun that guys use. Well, I thought that too until I started spraying this Rust-Oleum paint. You would not believe the colors in which you can have tinted through this. I do know that I'm not sure what the color is coming out on video. I am super happy with this color. Covers pretty well, as long as you don't get in a hurry, and I have that problem. So, part of my problem is I want it to lay down like automotive, and it's more of a kind of like rattle canning with a really big rattle can, which my boy, the Camo King, he is, he's all about that rattle can. They'll go through your yard, he'll pick stuff out. Yep, this is going to be a paint job. I'm like, dude, that is sticks and twigs. He goes, yep, that's going to be my truck color. That's going to be my boat color. And then he shows up at my house and sure as hell, that was his boat color and that was his truck color. We do a lot of stuff over in Crystal River. We do a lot of local lake rivers. I recently, you can see there's a 9.9, and if not, you will when I do a walk around of the boat. I'm only going to shoot the video for painting side 1 up here. Then tune back in, you know what I'm saying? Because we're going to be painting more, we're going to be building more. This boat is just in its beginning. You know, I got wooden floor, EVA foam, all that to put in. So we'll see. Dude, knew that boat coming out green now, I tell you. We went to the little ladies paint department because I was trying to buy another brand, another situation of paint. Couldn't come up with the color I wanted to use stock anywhere. And I'm really trying to get this painted up this weekend, you know. All right, I'm gonna give you all a little close walk. See how this turns out. Man, boy, when I said I wanted green and they mixed me up a green, that's gonna come out right, y'all. All right. See, here's all your standard prep on this side, just so y'all can get an idea. See, we got this casting deck going in. We'll see how it works out. We're replacing this monster right here, 9.9 Mercury. If anybody's boat mechanic, let me know. I can't get any spark out of it, nothing. I ordered a mud motor. We'll see how that goes. Not knowing if I'd like them, I went with a cheap import just to see if it was even my thing. And well, hit the like and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think.